How to enable dark mode in LinkedIn. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to enable dark mode in LinkedIn. In order to enable dark mode on LinkedIn, you need to follow this simple steps. So what here you need to do is actually, first thing first, open your LinkedIn application and log into your account. After which you will be taken to this field. So here you want to simply go ahead and tap on the profile initials from the top left corner of your screen, and from the list you want to go to settings section, and as soon as you go to the settings section you want to make sure to go ahead and click on visibility, or you could just go ahead and click on account preferences. When you go to the account preferences section, underneath you could find display right, and right under display there is this dark mode section. So accordingly you could go ahead and make changes, whether you want a light mode or maybe a dark mode or device settings itself. So this way you'll be able to enable dark mode in LinkedIn. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.